This is our first time here at Hospital Land, and the kids are getting to learn about being a surgeon or a nurse or a security officer.
It's been a lot of fun for the kids. They've learned a lot as well, and it's very hands-on.
They're getting familiar with the different equipment. They have different costumes that they can put on, and they're even using the wheelchairs, the crutches, all that stuff. For me as a teacher, this is a great opportunity to introduce students to different career paths.
I would like to be a doctor. It was so fun like that. A microphone. Thank you, Hospital Land.
Visit to Hospital Land is STEM-based, and so are the Science Academies of New York. Starting them here opens their career paths to growing and learning and maybe getting into medicine. We love seeing how much of an impact our teachers and our program makes on these little hearts.
I had a little girl this morning that was like, "Can I come back tomorrow? This is so fun." It's a great program, and I think it's made a lot of difference for a lot of kids.
At Sandy Charter Schools, we believe field trips are not just extra activities, but they are intentional and purposefully designed learning experiences for our students that extend our classroom learning to the real world. They are connecting the dots, developing their curiosity and learning and getting exposed to professional career pathways.